Land Rover Range Rover Velar. The Velar majors on style, but it's still a useful car. It's roomy enough for a family, not so big it's awkward in cities, and capable of unusual off-road feats. The Velar plugs a gap in Land Rover's range of Range Rovers. It's bigger than the Evoque but smaller than the Sport. It also uses what is for Land Rover a new platform, sharing its underpinnings with the Jaguar F-Pace, which maybe also gives you an idea of his size. It's expensive, but it's its good fortune to look and feel expensive too. It's luxurious and has more off-road capability than most rivals, and than the Jag. In size, the Velar sits somewhere between the BMW X4 and X6, Mercedes GLC Coupe and GLE Coupe, and above the Audi Q5. Smooth, pared back and slimmed down style takes priority over absolute space or off-road ruggedness. The Velar's silhouette is quite fast, marked by a rising belt, falling roof, pinched tail and a lot of screen rake. The surfaces are pure as snow. Especially around the nose, it's naked of step lines, the grille, lamps and bumper meticulously flush, which makes the number plate blimp stand out like a flesh wound. Also the fake vents on the bonnet and below the door mirrors. But in all it's a very well worked shape, and if you see it alongside a Range Rover Sport you instantly see how the skin has been pulled tight, the roof dropped and the details finely slimmed. The cabin is even more of a revelation, for the way style and function meet in an all-new glass cockpit system for displays and controls. It doesn't have a low-ratio transfer box, nor the decoupling anti-roll bars you can get on the Sport. So it's not fully spec'd to Land Rover's outermost off-roader level. But by most standards it's massively capable in the wilderness.